Want to add a new smart key fob to your 2015-2016 Chevy Suburban yourself? It's possible and can save you money compared to going to a dealer. This video will show you how. The process involves synchronizing the new fob with your Suburban's theft deterrent module. You'll need your vehicle, at least one working key fob, and the new fob. The entire process should take just 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure your vehicle is in a secure, ignition-off state before beginning. Step 1. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition or use a programmed fob. Step 3. Turn the ignition to on, then back to off. Repeat 2 to 3 times quickly. Step 4. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 10 to 15 seconds until the vehicle responds. Step 5. Repeat for additional fobs if needed, up to a maximum of 8. Step 6. Test the new fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle from outside. Important considerations. If the fob doesn't program, check the battery and replace if low. Also, be aware that failed attempts can trigger an anti-theft lockout, potentially requiring dealer intervention. Use caution and double-check steps. Genuine GM key fobs are generally more reliable, although third-party fobs are compatible.